everyone! Welcome back to another quick deal guide. Today we're diving into something every global company worries about, but rarely feels confident handling: global tax reporting. If you're paying people across different countries, tax rules can get messy fast. But Deel makes reporting way easier than you think. Let's break it down.
Are you ready to get rewarded? Click the link in the description and claim your $500 sponsorship today. It's fast, easy, and completely free. Don't miss this opportunity.
So, why is this important? Every country has its own tax forms, deadlines, employer obligations, and reporting requirements. Missing a form or filing late can lead to fines, delays, or worse, compliance issues. Deel helps centralize everything so you don't have to chase documents, track regulations manually, or manage a dozen different spreadsheets. It gives you accurate, ready-to-file tax data for every region you operate in. Here's how to access it. 1. Log into your Deel dashboard. 2. Head to payroll or reports, depending on your setup. 3. Look for the tax reports, filings, or documents section. Inside, you'll see country-specific tax data for employees and contractors. Things like withholding amounts, employer contributions, social taxes, and year-end summaries. You can filter by country, entity, date range, or payroll cycle. Here's where Deel becomes a lifesaver. Automated calculations. Deel applies the correct tax rules based on each country's requirements. Downloadable tax documents, pay slips, summaries, and employer tax reports are all exportable. Year-end reports, useful for audits, accountants, and compliance reviews. Local compliance support. Deel keeps up with changing regulations, so your data is always up to date. Entity-based reporting. Perfect if you operate in multiple countries with different legal structures. Everything is organized so you can hand it straight to your finance or tax team. No manual cleanup needed. And that's your quick guide to using Deel for global tax reporting. Whether you're handling payroll for 5 people or 500 across multiple countries, Deel helps you stay compliant, organized, and audit-ready, all from one dashboard. If global taxes stress you out, this is the tool you'll wish you started using sooner. Make sure to follow for more quick Deel guides. More coming your way.